Hi guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see by today's title, we'll be talking about scholarships and specifically merit scholarships. Now, I already explained exactly what those are in my how to build a college list video, so if you haven't checked that out yet, please do. But basically, merit scholarships is different, or are different rather, than need-based scholarships, because merit scholarships are based off academic talent, athletic talent, or any other special talent or interest that you have. And today I'm going to be talking about schools that give decent sized merit scholarships. One thing to note though, some schools require a separate application for merit scholarships. At other schools, you're automatically considered once you apply, so make sure you check that out. Alright guys, so before I get into a specific list of schools, I wanted to give you all a general guide as to how you on your own can find schools that will give you hefty merit scholarships. Step 1, search for full tuition scholarships, like just Google it literally. Step 2, look for schools with honors colleges. Some schools have honors colleges, and basically what those are is just a special group of students, and they receive a lot of benefits like scholarships, networking opportunities, sometimes even special living spaces, and just a bunch of other privileges. Step 3, you want to look for schools with presidential or stamps scholarships. These are very big scholarships, and sometimes they even include study abroad funds, so definitely check those out. And the last thing that you can do, although this requires some digging, is try to find schools that are trying to build out a specific department, because they'll often award very huge scholarships because they want students to come to that school to help flesh out the department. And on that note, don't be afraid to apply to schools that you might have never heard of before. Sometimes these schools want students to come, and so they'll offer big scholarships. Alright guys, so let's get into a list of schools that give really good merit aid. I tried to make sure that all of these schools offer aid to both international and domestic students so that they're open to everyone. But please check it out and double check for yourself, because I could have made a mistake and schools are always changing their policies. Additionally, this is in no way, shape, or form a comprehensive list. There are thousands and thousands of schools in the US, and that is why I gave you guys general guides so that you can find additional schools. So first up, FIU. They have presidential and ambassador premier scholarships that can cover up to your tuition and fees. Second, USF. USF has some scholarships, but from what I know, they're not super comprehensive, but you can check it out. Thirdly, University of Miami. They have some super comprehensive scholarships like their stamps scholarship. 4, Howard. Howard has comprehensive merit aid, but it might only be for US citizens, so you might want to check that out. 5, University of Georgia. They have some really cool merit aid options that include study abroad. However, you have to apply early action to get it. 6, Vanderbilt. 7, Tulane. Tulane has many options too, but you have to apply early action or early decision to be considered for some of them. 8, University of Notre Dame. They have a stamp scholarship. So I'm not going to list any more stamp scholarships because they're super easy to find. Stamps literally has a web page with all of them and some of their partner schools, and then you can also just Google schools with stamp scholarships. I must admit, not all of the stamp scholarships are available to international students, but some of them are, so just double check on that. 9, Wake Forest. They have a bunch of merit scholarship options. And 10, Boston College has a presidential scholarship, but you have to apply early action. Also guys, that's a pro tip for when you're applying to schools. If you really want to go and you really want a very big scholarship, apply early action or early decision if you're sure you want to go there. As per usual guys, there is a list with even more schools, at least 25 more. And if you want that list, all you have to do is like, comment, subscribe, and fill out the Google form in the description box below so I can get your email and send it to you. All of these schools offer really good merit aid, and they also offer these scholarships to international students. And I tried to put a range of schools on the list, so you'll see schools that you're familiar with and schools that you might not have heard of before, so explore all of your options. I know this whole college applications process can be super stressful, but I hope that these videos have been helping you guys. I genuinely believe in each and every one of you, and I love the conversations that we've been having. Today's quote is, or Potential Lies Between What Is and What Could Be by Kim Butler. Till next time, guys. Bye.